How to change Riot account sign-in username. Is it possible or is it not? Let's find out. So as you're probably aware, if you go to the website account.riotgames.com, you're able to freely change your Riot ID. However, this is the ID other players use to find you. And is there a way on this account management page to change your Riot username that you see? If you scroll down, you can see a lot of personal information like your email, and there is also your Riot account. You can also change your username, and then you can have all these things, but you can't find the one that you want. Sadly, you cannot manually change your Riot username that you use to sign in. Using this page, Riot does not give you the option to change your sign-in username. And the only suggestion I have is if you want to try to change, it is to click in the support or go to support.riotgames.com. In this page, you will be able to freely submit a ticket regarding your issue, and you can even connect it to other games. Just describe your issue and say that you want to change your username. Here you will have report a player, recover my account, or many options. So enter your option which you want to submit and then click on that or type that and then submit. So this is the way that you can change Riot account sign-in username. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.